Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see watch history on Facebook. So you will have to just open the Facebook app on the Android device. So when it's open, you will just click to the watch and you will click to the this profile icon on the right search, and there is you will see the second option is history. So when you have to click to the history, so it will show you the history that you can see on Facebook watch. So this is my all watch history on Facebook. So you can scroll down to find more watch history of the previous day and the previous month. So this how you can see the watch history on Facebook. It's very easy and simple, you can see it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.